have a list of fellow employees that we need to add as users into the system so that they can open up and use ACT themselves. To add a user, go to the Tools menu at the top and then choose Manage Users. This opens the Manage Users window, and to start, we'll just click Create New User on the left. Now, since I don't have any contacts yet, I can't create a user from a contact. So I'm going to create a new user who is not yet in my database, and I'll click Next. Now I need to enter the first user's information. Her name is Julie Ramsey. Her username is going to be Julie. She's our Chief Financial Officer, so I'm going to make her a manager type in the security role dropdown. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to leave the password fields blank and click Next. Now I want to make sure that she's an active user, so I'll leave that selected and click Next. And the permissions she should have are deleting records, accounting link, handheld device sync, exporting to Excel, manage sync subscription list, web API, and contact link auto attach. Those are all good, so I'm going to click Finish. Okay, that's my first user. Let's create the second one now. This is going to be for Ernst Anderson. His username will be Ernst, and I'm going to leave him with a standard security role, but in the password area, I want to force him to change his password the first time he logs in. Now I'll click Next. I want to make sure he's an active user, and you'll notice because he's a standard user, he has fewer permissions by default than the manager security role. If I wanted to give him access to the web API, I could just select it and move it over into the right column. If I click Next, we have the option to add this user to a team, but since I haven't set up any teams in ACT yet, I'm just going to click Finish. Finally, I want to add one more user, and her name is Sylvia Whitmore. Her username is going to be Sylvia, and her security role will be a standard, so I'm going to click Next. She'll be an active user, and I'm going to let her have the default permissions. So I'll just click Finish. Now I should verify that everything is correct here, and I'll click Close. And that's how easy it is to create users in ACT.